Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here and welcome to this video. So today I will show you how to find winning products for your Shopify store. Basically finding winning suppliers with a website that we all know, but I realized that almost nobody is using to find new suppliers, which as you can see is Amazon. And it's a very powerful way to find products that are just selling very well and you can sell them just as well on your own store essentially. So we can look for an example. Let's say we're looking to start selling desk chairs. Now we can just type in desk chair and we can see what pops up here. So typically there are some ads which we shouldn't pay attention to, but then underneath here you can see which products are essentially selling the best by looking at the review count. So anything I would say above 50 reviews is a sign that it's selling very well, because for a product to have 50 reviews, you probably need at least like 500 orders like to get those reviews in, right? So for desk chairs, just the demand is so crazy high that some have like 7,000, like 39,000 reviews. But basically for any product niche that you want to start selling in, you can use this same method and identify the winner products essentially. And then once you found a product like that is like properly priced, that you can make some good profit on, then you can also try to find the brand through Google and you can see if they're open to dropshipping collaboration or cooperation. So for example, here we have this one which is only 40 bucks, and then here there's another one of $188. So I would any day pick this product over this one because there's just way more margin in that product, right? So what you can do is you can Google this brand and you can see if they're also having their own website. You can see here Gabrielli Ergonomic Office Chair. I don't know them, but this seems to be their website. In their case, the website is down right now, but you could probably still find some type of contact information in order to contact them regarding a cooperation. You can search for contact. Maybe it's this one. You can do some digging here. Here there's on their own website there's an email address, so you can email them. Calling definitely is preferred, but if there's no way to call them, then of course emailing is fine too. So if you're able to make a cooperation happen with this supplier, then you know that this is a winning product, right? So that would be a big win right there. It's just a guaranteed product that's going to sell. Here is pretty cheap product, so I wouldn't go with this one. This one is not having too many reviews. It's a sponsored one as well, so I wouldn't pay too much attention to that one. Maybe this one, 100 bucks, and it has a brand name as well, Furmox. You can search for it on Google again, and it seems like we already have the store here. So this is their product. So it's part of Amazon Associates. So we could probably find a way to contact these guys as well and get them basically open for a cooperation as well. You can do the same, like Firmax contact, and you can probably find some contact information from those guys. Of course, it is definitely a numbers game. Most of them, like the majority, is not going to want a cooperation, but there's definitely some among them that will definitely be very open to you also selling their products on your own website, right? So this is literally how I found a lot of winning suppliers, just by going through Amazon, looking at what is already selling well on here, and then offering these products on your website, which should be optimized, of course. And it's also important that you price your product quite similarly to the price on Amazon. I wouldn't say it needs to be the exact same or you're not going to sell. I've definitely sold it for like 50% higher than the price on Amazon, but just don't mention the brand name on your website though, because if you do, then people are just going to go to Amazon, right? And you're just promoting their brand for free essentially and without getting paid yourself. So I would always come up with your own brand name for displaying the products on your website, and don't make it like 3 times the price of Amazon. Like, keep it sort of reasonable while still having good margin. Of course, you want to have at least 50% gross margin on all of your products. So I hope this makes sense. You can literally do this for any product niche, because nowadays everything is on Amazon, right? So yeah, I hope that makes sense. There's of course other ways as well to find winning products. Let me know if you want me to make more videos about other ways to find winning products, but this is a very reliable way to find new products to sell for your store that are just proven to work essentially. I happen to know that these guys, this brand is actually open to cooperation. I've actually spoke with them before myself as well, so you can literally contact these guys and you'll probably be able to close them for a cooperation as well. Here is their email address. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. I read all the comments myself. Also, there's a link in the description talking a little bit about how we help e-commerce stores to grow. So if you have any problems growing your e-commerce sales, feel free to check it out. I don't care if you click it or not. I just hope you got a ton of value out of this video and you're going to find some new winning products for yourself. So thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.